Organizational resilience is the ability of an organization to anticipate, prepare for, respond, and adapt to incremental change and sudden disruptions in order to survive and prosper. So, organization, those who had sufficient resilient characteristics would have managed this COVID 19 pandemic much better than the other organizations. So, organization resilience is not a defensive strategy only to retain or protect, but it is a positive, forward looking strategy so that unexpected things are anticipated and the challenges are handled by the inherent quality of the resilience nature of the organization. Let us see attributes of resilient organization. Robust, resilient organizations are flexible and proactive. Organizational resilience requires the adoption of excellent habits. Resilient organizations are eager to learn from their own and others' experiences. In a given situation, any organization, say any ANSP, wanted to improve their resilience characteristics, need to see around the world best practices or habits, and also they should learn from their own experience as well as the experience gathered by the best ANSPs around them. Now let us see how can organizational resilience can be brought into developing ANSPs through their key workforces, that is ATSEP. It is quite obvious for transformation of any organization to have resilience, the role of key workforce as leaders or top managers and as field engineers or as line level managers are very essential. To transform ANSPs into resilient organization, each ANSP need to involve their key workforces, that is ATSEP, in the transformation process. COVID 19 experience from both the leaders level and field engineers level at this situation matters a lot. Through ATSEP, ANSPs need to own the present crisis, assess, evaluate, act progressively, and transform. Why ATSEPs? ATSEPs are key performers in the safety chain. ATSEP are key enablers of ANS ground and space infrastructure. ATSEP are key accountable workforces for ANSPs. So through them, developing ANSPs can identify the hidden potential of organization and transform. In a nutshell, the transformation needs the involvement and progressive activities of ANSP so that their activities in the coming days will not only restricted with the Annex 10, but it should involve ATSEP much beyond Annex 10.